ZTE has just unveiled its brand new flagship at the IFA 2018 trade show. Meet the ZTE Axon 9 Pro, a high-end phone that ZTE really needed to add to its portfolio at this moment. Let's get the obvious stuff out of the way first. The Axon 9 Pro doesn't exactly grab the attention with a terribly original design. Its glass body with metal frame and an iPhone X-like notch seem like a direct homage to Apple's flagship. Overall, the Axon 9 Pro feels good in the hand. Despite its large 6.2-inch OLED display, it has a high screen-to-body ratio and is relatively lightweight, making it very single-hand friendly. We also like the fact that the phone is water-resistant and has loud stereo speakers, as well as an RGB sensor in the display notch that automatically calibrates the hues of the display in accordance with the lighting conditions. The hardware inside the new Axon is pretty great. A Snapdragon 845 chip, 6GB of RAM, 128GB of native storage, and a large 4000 mAh battery. A dual rear camera is a go as well, featuring a 12-megapixel main sensor and a wide-angle 20-megapixel sidekick. At the front, ZTE employs a 20-megapixel camera with face recognition. The ZTE Axon 9 Pro launches with a stock rendition of Android Oreo and will be available in Europe and China. Unfortunately, the stars have not aligned for US availability at this point.